Welcome guys to episode 33 of how we build a 5-story building. Here we are with more update. As you can see here, we already did the stucco all around the building. It has already a primer and it's looking more finished right now. We keep going with the installation of the curtain wall. This was a little bit delayed because it needed a special piece that had to be shop drawing and fabricated, approved by engineers, architects, everybody. And finally it's here. So they're installing the end part of the curtain wall, and we're gonna keep doing everything to seal the envelope, as I'm gonna show you now. Here we are in the roof. As you can see, in the last week we were installing all the curbs for the mechanical equipment, the stands, and we have all the material here to start sealing the roof. In some parts we already start, as you can see there, with the TPO, and we are working and preparing the surfaces to apply the TPO and the membranes to seal the whole envelope so we don't have water intrusion and we keep going with the inside. So please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, the notification bell for more update on how we build a 5-story building. Thanks for watching.